How to delete all Facebook messages by one click. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is no direct option or no direct feature on Messenger that will allow you to delete all the messages by one click. You will have to do it manually one by one. But if you want a shortcut method, go to your Play Store and then there is an application called Delete Messages on Messenger app. Simply search for delete messages on Messenger, and this is the application that you would be looking for. Simply install this application and then you will get all your messages in this application from your Messenger, and select all of the messages and delete it at once. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.